Hey guys, Chris from WoodWorks here. I know, can you believe it? This is my face. This is why I stay behind the camera. But anyway, I'm going to show you how much money I make, or how much money I have made, how much money I make from YouTube. And this is in WoodTurning on YouTube since the beginning, since I started. It's taken me about 2.5 years, but full transparency. All right, here we go. How much I make in 1 year being monetized. First of all, I'm starting out with 28 days. I always do the 28 day, well actually it opens up in 28 days. I like to see my subscriber count be around 30 to 40. That means I'm getting at least one a day, new subscribers. Watch time around 500 hours, and views can go up and down depending on if I have shorts or full length. My revenue, I really like to see around $30. That means $1 a day. And that is with around 1,500 subscribers, 500 watch hours, So of course I want to make more. I want to have more subscribers and more views, but for right now, pretty good metric my last 28 days would be like. Okay, if I go to channel analytic content, I can see my audience retention, how people found my videos. This is the one I like to put my videos out at certain times when more people are actually on YouTube and watching. Watch time from subscribers and from non-subscribers. It's always non-subscribers is very much higher. I do like that the age is a little more spread out now. It used to be, it was in this 55 to 64 range. Now it looks more like it's more spread out, which that's really cool. Love to see more people into wood turning. One thing I really like to say is if you're going to YouTube to make money wood turning, probably should find something else. It's very difficult. It takes a lot of work. It's a very tight, close community, but it's not like there's millions of people wood turning. There may be millions of people watching, but they are hard to find. Okay, so in here we can see videos. We can go to shorts. So in videos, I've got 10,500 views. Impressions, how many times the videos were put in front of somebody. Click-through rate, I really like that. 8.3% click-through rate, that's pretty good. Okay, then we can go to shorts. Shorts, you get a lot of views in bursts, and you can see when they went into the shorts feed. Some do better than others. Subscribers is where the shorts really shine. All right, this is the fun part. So for the last 28 days, about $30. This RPM is how much for every 1,000 views. So $2.82 per 1,000 views. So if we go back to 18,000 views, but we can't really do from shorts, so 10,000 views. So I should get about 10 times $2.82, which would be $28, and that's about right where I'm at. Playback-based CPM, $12.47. That is how much advertisers pay every 1,000 times ads are shown on your videos. It gets kind of complicated with the math, but basically you can quickly check to see if YouTube is paying you, I guess what they say, top earning content. So this video, this is the hammer, went very quickly up into 3,300 views, and so totally it has 4,000 views, 110 watts, got 7 subscribers. I've made about almost $8 on this one video since it was published on October 6th. You can go to top earning content and do the last 365 days. And this is pretty cool. There's not like one video that just killed it. My estimated revenue for 365 days is $260.79. That is the entire time I've been monetized. If I do lifetime, you can see that I started being monetized in October 9th. It's now the 18th. So we're pretty close. I didn't really make much that first couple days, so we'll go back to 365 days. My top earning video is my lathe review. And so in 1 year, I've made $28.56. So this video has been very consistent. Top earning content over the last 28 days. Oh, we're back to 28 days. 365 days. So you can see how much that one video did compared to the others. So some of them are making about between $7 and $10. Those are my highest earners. And that's total. That's not per day, per month. That's the total earning. So very quickly, you can get down into the $2 The $1, $1.61. Top one since I've been monetized is $28. Alright, so thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for watching this video. Just some things that you can do to help the channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below there. Comment, like. Really what I really ask is that you just watch the videos all the way through. Watch the ads if you can. I know it's painful, but if you watch the ads, maybe click through if it's something that interests you. But that really helps any YouTuber, is really watching the videos all the way through and watching the ads. If you can. If not, I understand, but you know, being a subscriber, hitting the thumbs up, that all helps. Stats and that, but where the money comes in is the watching the videos and the ads. So anything you can do to help, subscribe, comment, like, share, all that stuff. Great stuff. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next couple videos. Thanks, guys.